Welcome back to Retro Phone Show. Now if you like retro or rare mobile phones, this is the channel for you. And in this episode we're going to be having a look at the Mobistel EL420 Dual. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Mobistel EL420 Dual Chinese phone. I don't know too much about this phone. At this present moment, this is the only video on YouTube of this, so it must be quite rare. First of all, we'll have a look at the phone itself, and then we'll have a look at the ringtones and the menu and whatnot. At the end then we'll do the startup and shutdown. So first of all, let's have a look at the phone itself. Here's the front. At the bottom here we have a transparent bit here, which when it rings or when you start it up and to turn it off, it flashes. And we have the back here, the camera. Show the camera. Yeah, little crack there, but that's nothing. It's the one side. Charging port there. There's the other side. Top of the hinge. Then we have the bottom. And if we open him up, it's pretty big when he's opened up. Large keys, a fairly large screen as well. There's the transparent top I was telling you about. Right then, let's start him up. I will do a startup and shutdown at the end as well, so don't worry. There we are. Here we have the keys. As we can see now, it's currently on EE network. It will take 2 SIM cards. It's open to all networks, but I'm not too sure if it work on a free network though. I don't know, I haven't tested it. Menu. Right then, let's have a look at these settings, services, multimedia. Let's check that out. Camera. We'll try to tell you what, let's try the camera now. And now we are here. There we are. It's quite grainy, but alright. It's a little bit grainy, but it's not too bad. Right, so we have video recorder, music player. Let's try music player. There's nothing in there. No music in there. FM radio. And all them lovely things. We have settings. Obviously calls, messages, file manager, and all that stuff. Then let's try profiles. tone settings. Right then, let's have a look at your set. Right, let's start from, there's not many ringtones on here. There you are. And then you have the settings for power on and off tone, the flip tone, keypad tone, and so on and so on. There you are. Right then, I'll ring him now, so you can see what it looks like when it rings. Hang on. Right, let's ring him. Right, should ring now. Any second. Yeah. One missed call. Right then, let's do a startup and shutdown. Let's turn them off a minute and I'll do a startup and shutdown then. Right, so just like, here we go. I'm going to do a startup and shutdown. And a shutdown. And there you are. Very unusual phone. Very nice. Like I said, this is the only one on so the only video of this on YouTube at the present moment. So it's got to be quite rare. As always, thank you very much for watching. And I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much and bye!